Okay, dear. So we're discussing you that's common market. Common market. So common market I discussed that's when you allow the free movement of the factors of production, that is a capital and labor, among the member nations. So this is the additional features. If you add in customs union, all the features must be there, plus you add the features of the movement of factors of production, labor and capital, then it is going to be the common market. Now I asked you why the UK left, the European Union. The reason is, just you think 2008 onwards, if you take the European Union, so most of the member nations other than the UK, okay, most of the member nations, okay, that's affected much more after economic reform, after the worldwide, I mean the 2008 financial crisis, or you can say great recessions. So but UK, if you see, it was relatively more stable country. Okay, so UK was relatively more stable country that time. So since there was a common market characteristics, the agreement was also the common market. European Union is also common market. So laborers, they started moving from the other nations to the UK. So normal market mechanism, you learn it. In the market, if suppose supply of anything is going to increase or it has increased, then definitely the price of that thing is going to fall. Okay, so same things happen when there is a people are migrate from the other nations to UK. The wage rate started decreasing in the UK because the laborers are available to work at the low wage rate, and the companies and other, they started offering at the low wage labor. So welfare of the labor class started decreasing. Even the other capital, they started investing in the UK also. That's the movement was there because they're not getting, they're affected their business there, so they're coming again. So competition is there, but mainly it's affected the labor class, and that is one of the reasons. If you go and see the resolutions which happen, resolution which is passed in UK, whether we can leave or European Union or not, mainly labor class or these sections of the society participated much more. So you have to just connect in this way economy. I know the political reasons, but economic reason was also that. And you can't take any action, you can't do anything because you are the signatory of common market. So these are the common market things. And after this, suppose till your common market, what's happened? Now there is a free movement of goods and services. There is a external common external tariffs. There is a free movement of labor and capital you are allowed. So which one is the next step? Which one is the constraint in that? Okay, that is money. If different nations having the different currency, then always you are getting the problem of exchange rate. Like today, just you take the example, imagine that okay, India is the, say, common market, suppose, where different states are the different nations. Like that you are behaving. Tomorrow you are deciding, I will go to the UP, you can go. You want to go to the Bihar, you can go. You want to go to the Assam, you can go. So yes, you can, if you go anytime, there is no visa, no permission, you need it, just like the European Union. But yes, you can get problems. Suppose you are going from Bengal to the Assam and Assamese currencies is different from the Bengal currency, then you will get the problem of currency exchange. So when you integrated the most of the nations, you integrated and reached at the level of common market, then better you go for the monetary union. So what is the monetary union? When two or more than two countries agreed upon, okay, to accept common currency, then when you are accepting common currency, it means issuing authority will be common. So there is a common issuing authority is there. If issuing authority is common, means it's the monetary union, a monetary authority is there. And if monetary authority is common, means this institutions or this authority is going to make monetary policy for entire nations. Like European Union, you can just take this example. European Union, okay, one part, because all nations not accepted except few. Now European Union, you can say, or sorry, Eurozone you can take. In the countries they accepted, the countries of European Union, they accepted the common currency, and common currency is what? Euro. They accepted the euro as a common currency. They are known as the Eurozone. Combined group is known as the Eurozone. And this euro is issued by a central bank which is known as the ECB. ECB is the Central Bank of European Union. ECB means European Central Bank, and this central bank issuing the euro. So ECB is the European Central Bank. They are issuing the euro. Okay, and this member country, they accepted the euro. They are known as the Eurozone. So this ECB is making the monetary policy for entire nations. This is the concept of monetary union, and Eurozone is the monetary union, and it is a high integrated group in this world. In this world. Fine. Just write few lines. Right. A common market. Monetary union. You write. If two countries or more than two countries, or more than two countries agreed upon to allow free movement of goods and services, comma, common external tariff, comma, free movement of labor and capital, and accept common currency, full stop. Okay, write one more line. Monetary union, write like this: a common monetary authority, just write a common monetary authority issues common currency, like European Union, like euro for European Union, which is issued by common monetary authority, ECB, European Central Bank. ECB, European Central Bank. Okay, full stop, right? Common monetary authority, one more line. Common monetary authority formulates and implements common monetary policy for entire nations. Okay, full stop, right? Eurozone is the example of monetary union, which is the highest integrated group, in this world. Okay, so what you are getting till monetary union? So your foreign trade policy is same, common, monetary policy is same, common. Which one is left in the macroeconomics? Only fiscal policy left. So when these nations going to accept a common fiscal policy, then it is known as the complete economic integrations. But not a single country accepted this. Because not a single country want to lose their sovereignty. Okay, so it's not. Just write complete economic integrations. Complete economic integration. I'm not repeating. I'm just like that. I'm writing in this way. Just to write complete economic integration. Right. After achieving monetary union. After achieving monetary union level of integration. After achieving monetary union level of integration, comma, if member countries adopt common fiscal policy, then it is known as complete economic integration. Then it is known as complete economic integration. Clear? Now, maybe in the next class I will discuss you few integrations what India is negotiating and already there's agreed upon, okay, with other nations or group of nations. See, each and every country is going to agreed on trade or other things depending on the benefits what the country is getting it. Like India has benefits in the service sector, so I prefer to sign more and better for a services sector, because you are going for the free trade, then it can hamper your nations, okay, in that particular sector. So always each and every country, I'm not saying India, is thinking about really if I'm going for FTA, then really it is good for my country or not. So accordingly they are signing it. Like India is signing CEPA. Generally India is signing CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. It is known as Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. Why? Because some of the characteristics of FTA, not the all, we are only allowing few services and very limited in the goods. Okay. Plus we are allowing the movement of capital but not the labor. Okay. So we are just taking the different characteristics and we are just trying to sign as per our requirement. So it's termed as Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. So when you are going to see India signing agreement with the other nations, you have to check, yes, what are the provisions where India is signing and why India is signing. Then you will get, you are giving more focus on the sector that need it, okay, and we are competent, okay, because then only you can get the benefits from this free trade. Okay, dear. So now this part is over. So 1, 2, what are the which country we are doing the, I will give you reference, and if you want then you can read yourself also from the economic survey. So it is there in the economy survey, or when we are going to discuss the economy survey, these updations where we will discuss it. Okay. So first I created and I discussed in your class the concept that we need it. When you're going to read, then you need all the concepts, and then if you're knowing this concept, very easily you can relate it. When you're going to read other things, you can understand it. Okay. Okay, dear. Then thank you to all and spending this time with me, and we are meet tomorrow. No, tomorrow I think after 2 days we are meeting. Okay, as per your schedule we are meeting. Thank you everyone. Thank you.